How to view net worth in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will immediately see an overview of your financial account like bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment. Next, scroll down on the home screen. You will find a section labeled Net Worth. This section automatically calculates your total assets minus your total debts to show your current net worth. Mint pulls this data from all your linked accounts in real time. If you want a more detailed view, tap on the net worth section. This will bring up a graph showing how your net worth has changed over time. You can switch between daily, monthly, or yearly views to track your financial progress. You can also review individual accounts from the net worth page. Click on any category like savings, investment, or loans to see the specific amounts included in the calculation. This gives you a clear breakdown of what's adding to or reducing your net worth. Make sure all your financial accounts are properly linked and updated in Mint. If anything is missing or out of date, your net worth figure might not be accurate. And that's it. Now you know how to view net worth in Mint. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.